Wherever you want.
I just sit in the middle.
Sounds good.
It pulls hard though till 70.
Yeah, it feels okay. Yeah, I was probably last time in this. Were you? I don't, it wasn't. Was it running in the summer?
It was. Well, it was.
So that means last time I rode in this was probably just before summer or something. It feels a lot quicker than the last time I was in it. Tuner didn't want to like bump my boost up a little more on the fuel here, even though the fuel is like barely. It's cutting it, but not very well. But these internals are pretty strong, so I'm willing to let it do its thing just a little bit.
Right.
Like the AFRs are coming out almost in the bad area. It's almost a bad AFR reading.
And to those idiots who don't know what AFR means,
Air fuel
ratio.
Yep.
Okay. We now know, guys.
One more.
Oh, I will gladly take a pull any day of my life. This car sounds amazing. I love the rawness of it.